channel My Way. So for today I'm going to be sharing with you my jewelry collection. So basically I got a lot of requests from you guys to share my jewelry that I wear in my videos, and all the jewelry that I own are artificial one. Now the lighting here is not that good, but I really wanted to sit comfortably because I'm very tired right now. I'm filming since like 4-5 hours now and I really need some rest, but I wanted to finish this video and then have some rest because video is something which is just keeps on playing. So in this video I'm going to be sharing all the jewelry that I own. I know I look a complete mess right now, but we're gonna deal with this. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all the neck pieces and some rings that I own and also some earrings. So yeah, if you're interested in this video then please keep on watching, but before that don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started the video. So I am collecting all of these from the past so many years, don't even remember, so that's why I have a lot of things. So we're gonna begin with neck pieces. So I have like these neck pieces that you haven't seen me wearing in my videos. I have a lot of them. Basically earlier when I was in like 6-7 standard, I think that's the time I started collecting these. Whenever we used to go like for a family trip or anything, my father used to get me all these. The very old I remember is this, and this is from Dalhousie, I guess. You can imagine I don't wear these now. ये बस रखी हुई है मैंने संभाल के. Next I have this which looks very good with some like kurta or for any like boho look kind of look. It looks really good. So this is again something which I got from, I guess, Manali, like from Himachal only. Most of them are from Himachal. Third is this. This is also very pretty. Like I really like this. So this is the third one. This I remember that this I got from Manali, Himachal Pradesh again, and इनके सबके प्राइस राउंड अबाउट 200 तक ही है. 200 से आई डोंट थिंक ये ज़्यादा होंगे. हर पर पीस आई गेस 200 का होगा. 200 250, नॉट मोर देन दैट आई बिलीव. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस इन ग्रीन. जैसे इट्स लाइक these are almost similar. So I have one in green and one in red. This is something brother got for me. I guess this is from Goa. Yeah, somewhere from Goa. Next is this. I also have earrings with these, like really small. Again, this is from Himachal. This is the, and one of my friend gifted me this. This is from McLeodganj, Maklo, Himachal Pradesh. So I really love this one and it's really beautiful at the same time. So these were my long neck pieces. So I don't want the video to be very long, so I'm just going to show you things and I'm going to keep it aside. So this is the first time I'm filming such kind of videos, so I have no clue how to do this. These are some other pieces that I have, which I have kept in these things. So this is nothing fancy, बिल्कुल एक chain and then butterfly. This is some again stones का neck piece है. I really love these stone pebbles and stones kind of neck pieces. I don't wear them, but I like collecting them. To be very honest, इनमें से 50% भी चीज़ें मैंने पहनी नहीं होगी कभी. I just collect them. This is something which I do wear. I really love this one. I guess this I got from an Instagram store. This I got from an Insta store, like for 500 rupees. I guess 4 to 500 rupees. But I guess कुछ 1-2 साल पहले इसका बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड था. So that's the time I got this. Next I have this which I got from Janpat. ऐसा एक और मेरे पास है जो मेरे अभी फ्रेंड के घर पे पड़ा हुआ है. So मैंने अपने जनपथ हॉल में वो शेयर करा, आप देख सकते हैं. दैट वन इज़ बेटर एंड मोर प्रिटी. आई ऑल्सो लव दिस वन. ये अगेन लॉन्ग टॉप, लॉन्ग कुर्ते या किसी भी नॉर्मल टॉप के साथ बहुत प्रिटी लगता है. आई डू वेयर इट. मैंने इसे रैंडम पाउचेस में स्टोर करा हुआ है ताकि मुझे पता हो कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ पड़ी है. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दीज चेन्स विथ दिस एंड दिस इज कम्प्लीटली टैंगल्ड राइट नाउ. सो आई हैव दीज 3. I don't need to show them. This one is really pretty. I'm going to show you. I really love this one. So ये जो 3 layers chain, this is like that. I do wear this also. This too I wear. This one. I also have this small like pendants. ये सब Archie's के हैं. So earlier Archie's का बहुत ज़्यादा trend था. I think this I got when I was in 10th standard. Yeah, I was in 10th standard when I got this, and now I'm like doing my masters. So imagine, this is so old. Sorry, this one. This is so old. Next is something which I got from Shein recently, and I really love this. ये आपने मेरी videos में देखा भी होगा, मैंने पहना हुआ है. And you can see the condition. It's just like a moon, half moon, stars, and this is really pretty. Shein में बहुत अच्छी आपको jewelry मिल जाएगी. So if you look, if you like chains, like small kind of pendants and everything, Shein में आपको बहुत अच्छी variety मिल जाएगी. आपको प्राइजेस इसलिए साथ साथ नहीं बोल रही बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली मुझे भी नहीं याद मैंने कितने के लिए हैं ये चीज़ें. अगेन आई हैव दिस पेंडेंट फ्रॉम, हर चीज़ इसका एक स्टोन भी निकल गया है. स्टिल आई लाइक दिस. वन मोर विच इज़ ऑल्सो अ गिफ्ट. दिस इज द लास्ट वन. दिस इज अगेन फ्रॉम आर्चीज. आर्चीज के आई बिलीव आर फॉर लाइक 200 और फॉर 500. एग्जैक्ट मुझे नहीं याद, बहुत पुराने हैं, लाइक 5-6 years पुराने हैं. नो, आई ऑल्सो हैव सम मोर. So I also have these. ये गोवा से I believe, which I don't wear. This is something which I do wear. I do like this one. Random pep. This is another neck piece which I really love. This looks really pretty with any black top. Black के साथ ये ज़्यादा pretty लगते हैं, and even white के साथ. I have these bangles which I got from Palika Bazaar, Delhi last year, last year January. So I really love these. This was like for 200. The pair was for like 200 I believe. मेरा ही था. Also I don't wear neck pieces along because I do wear a chain, so I don't like wearing a lot of things. So that's why I don't wear it. So pretty much that's all for the neck pieces. That's all I have for neck pieces. Next is like a kamar band. So I have this kamar band which I got from स्टोर इन जम्मू. सो अगर आप जम्मू से, आप मुझे मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं. आई विल लेट यू नो कि मैंने कहाँ से लिया था. सो दिस इज़ अ थिंग. और ये मैंने कभी नहीं पहना है बट मैंने लिया ज़रूर था. आई थिंक दिस वॉज फॉर ₹500. ज़्यादा याद नहीं है मुझे. फॉर द मांग टिक्का आई हैव दीज मांग टिक्का. आई हैव दीज मांग टिक्का. दीज आर रियली प्रिटी. लाइक कुंदन वन. सो अगेन ये मैंने जम्मू में एक स्टोर से लिया है. जम्मू से हो तो आई विल लेट यू नो मैंने कहाँ से लिया है. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द नेक पीसेस मांग टिक्का. सो फॉर द रिंग्स आई हैव दीज रिंग्स. सो फर्स्ट इज दिस. सो दिस आई गॉट फ्रॉम दिल्ली में मैंने लिया है सदर बाज़ार से. एंड यू वॉन्ट इवन बिलीव, ये मैंने 60 रुपीज़ की लिया है. सदर में आपको बहुत चीप रेट्स में मिल जाएंगे. दिस इज़ रियली प्रिटी. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस वन. अगेन ये भी दिल्ली से है बट आई डोंट रिमेंबर द प्राइस ऑफ दिस. 100 or 150, not more than that. So if you like wearing jewelry, then Delhi is the best place for you because you can get hell lot of variety. So वहाँ से maximum है. Then it's this one. This is something which I got as a gift. So I really love this one. And I have these two जो I don't know मैंने कहाँ से लिए है. Then I have this which is again from Delhi and some random rings. So बड़ी rings मेरे पास इजी है and I don't even wear them that much because already I'm wearing these 2 rings. So मैं इसके ज़्यादा change भी नहीं करती. Now we're gonna move to earrings and I have a lot of them. So starting with this is something which I got last year as my birthday gift from one of my friend. I really love this. These are very pretty. These are very pretty. So if you are someone जिसके पास काफ़ी collection है and who wants to have a good collection, you need to store your makeup products in a good solid and good boxes. Otherwise earlier I didn't used to store them so properly and बहुत सी earrings मैंने ऐसे घुमा दी है. So now I keep a check कि मेरे हर एक चीज़ किसी ना किसी कंटेनर में हो. एंड आई हैव केप्ट देम इन नॉट सिंगल ड्रॉ. लाइक इयरिंग का एक प्रॉपर सेक्शन, नेक पीसेस का एक प्रॉपर सेक्शन, ताकि हर चीज़ हमें फाइंड करने में ईजी रहे. सो दिस इज़ नॉट नथिंग लाइक अ फैंसी बॉक्स. जितने भी ज्वेलरी होती है जैसे दिस काइंड ऑफ ज्वेलरी, प्रेफर करें इसे कॉटन पहले अच्छे से बिछाए, पहले कॉटन रखिए, उसके ऊपर ये ज्वेलरी रखिए जिससे ज्वेलरी ख़राब नहीं होती. All traditional jewelry, like traditional earrings, really love them. So I'm gonna show you. Start these. Really pretty. It looks really pretty. Another golden one. एंड आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, अभी मेरी बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी इयररिंग्स मेरे फ्रेंड के घर पे है. लॉकडाउन के घर में वापस नहीं ले पाई अभी. सो आई एम गोना शो यू दीज. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड वन. These are really pretty. I really love them. These are the fourth one. So most of them are from Jammu only. मैंने ये सारे जम्मू में किसी लोकल शॉप से लिया है. कोई भी बाहर की नहीं है, सब कुछ लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स ही हैं ये. So next are these. I'm completely obsessed with these. You have seen me wearing these in my videos also. So these, and this I got in the 12th standard when I was in 12th, like 5 years back. I don't even wear them much, but yeah, I like to store them properly. Also have this huge one. So they look really pretty. So these were the big jhumkas. Next I have a lot of these earrings. ये आपको गोवा में मिलते हैं and this is something which my brother got for me. So ये गोवा के like किसी भी बीच के पास आपको मिल जाएंगे. I have like 10 to 20 of these. So I've stored them in just a box. Next I have like this small box where I have like very small earrings that I can wear on everyday basis, like with a kurta or anything. So these are the earrings. Look, these are very pretty. So most of them are from Delhi. So have a look. Love these, and I love wearing these kind of earrings. So these are the smaller one, and ये थोड़ा बड़ा है size में. So आप difference देख सकते हैं. Pattern सब same है, बस थोड़ा size में difference है. So I'm this much crazy. Also I have like these smaller ones. Also some bigger sizes of the same jhumka. A lot of other small pieces. So बहुत सारे हैं, but I have showed you my favorite. So these are something which I keep in my room. Basically mostly when I wear kurta, I like to wear these. So next I have this kind of tray. So basically इसके अंदर चॉकलेट्स थे. सो आई फाइंड इट वेरी मच कन्वीनियंट टू स्टोर माई इयररिंग्स इन दीज. सो आई एम गोना शो यू. ओके, सो ऑल दीज फ्लावर इयररिंग्स, सो यू कैन सी कलरफुल फ्लावर्स आई हैव स्टोर्ड इन दिस. ऑल द पत्थर वाली चीज़ें लाइक द स्टोन्स वन आर देयर. ऑल द फैंसी एंड सम बेसिक वन. Some hoops. I love these too. So these I got from Jaipur. Bigger one. So I have stored them in these and I just keep them in a box. And I totally love these as well. So yup. You'll be getting a lot of comments even where you will be saying that I don't wear any of them in my videos. I'm prepared for that. Next I have this huge box in which I have kept a smaller box जिसके अंदर मेरे mostly silver and like black color की jewelry है. So all my bigger jhumka. This I got from Rajasthan I believe. बाकी सब दिल्ली से है. This is something you have seen me wearing a lot of times. This is from Delhi. So this is my favorite. Again ये मेरी सिस्टर ने मुझे गिफ्ट करा था. सो दीज आर द नेक्स्ट वन. देन आई हैव दीज अगेन फ्रॉम दिल्ली. दीज दिल्ली से ही है. दिस वन आर फ्रॉम माउंट आबू राजस्थान. सो मैं राजस्थान काफ़ी घूमी हूँ एंड दिल्ली भी. सो राजस्थान में 3 से 4 बार जा चुकी हूँ. सो वहाँ से मेरे पास काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी आई हैव लॉट ऑफ इयररिंग्स हियर ऑल्सो. सो आई वांट टू शो माई फेवरेट्स. So these hoops are my favorite. They are so beautiful. This I got from Delhi. Delhi में I got this from Rajouri Garden. So ये वहाँ से है. Next are these. This is something I totally love. These are also very gorgeous. ये सब दिल्ली से है, हूप्स एंड इसके अंदर ये पॉम पॉम वाले इयरिंग्स फंस चुके हैं. I have lot of hoops like plain golden like broader one, so I have these and like these I got from Sarojini, again something from Sarojini. So in all I have a lot of them. अगर मैं आपको सब कुछ दिखाने लग गई so this is going to be a very long video. This is something from Rajasthan. I love these, I really love these, but problem ये है कि मैंने इसको तोड़ दिया है. मैंने इसका ये चीज़ तोड़ दी है, बट आई एम गोना reattach this. That's all for the earring part. Some of them are with my friends because I have a lot of them. So मेरे friends generally मेरे से ले लेते हैं and I also say them कि ले लो because मैं नहीं पहन रही, at least तुम तो पहनो. So yeah, that's all the things that I own pretty much. I remember I have all these things. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.